Beaches are the most attractive landscape of coastal regions for tourism. World over, tourists enjoy the splendor of nature, especially where seawater is warm enough for bathing, swimming and surfing. Shivrajpur Beach possesses serene coastal landscapes with water at optimal temperature throughout the year, and thus offers abundant opportunities for coastal tourism in this region. In commitment towards the Sustainable Development Goals, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India embarked upon the Beach Environment and Aesthetics Management Services (BEAMS) was conceived by the Society for Integrated Coastal Management (SICOM) under the umbrella of Integrated Coastal Zone Management Project. BEAMS ensures that conservation and maintaining the pristine environmental character of the beach always remains at the center stage.
SICOM is looking at Blue Flag certification of 13 beaches in India. And we have also launched a BEAMS program where we are looking at conservation, marine litter, creating facilities. One of the aspects that is central to all this is involving people, conserving the facilities there and making smaller facilities to make the beach a beautiful place like toilets, shower place and other basic facilities being provided.
BEAMS offers ergonomically designed male-female toilets, shower facility, change room facility, purified drinking water facility, pathways, signages and information boards to facilitate tourists. The built-up infrastructure is temporary, portable and presents an aesthetically appealing exterior with bamboo claddings. Towards resource efficiency and energy management, the beach facilities feature waterless urinals, a grey water treatment plant for recycling treated sewage water for horticultural purposes, a solar power plant for energy requirements at the site, a solid waste management plant for biocomposting for horticultural purposes at the site, etc.
Most of the places, these facilities are there, but the standard I found here is relatively very good. It's a very serene place and very beautiful look, very pristine look.
A bathing zone designated as safe swimming haven after undertaking a due safety risk assessment has been duly cordoned off with bright color buoys and ropes. Safety flags have also been installed as per ISO 20712 guidelines. Watchtowers and certified lifeguards with rescue equipment are posted during the designated bathing hours in the beach. CCTV surveillance in the beach area addresses the security issues. Besides, security guards patrol the beach round the clock and also check the ingress of stray animals. Regular testing of bath water quality for its physical, chemical and biological parameters is a testament of the commitment towards concerns of hygiene. The BEAMS program duly recognizes the needs of differently abled visitors and provides access pathways, ramps and amphibious wheelchairs to facilitate them. The beach cleaning services at Shivrajpur are an example by themselves. Besides periodic mechanized beach cleaning, a dedicated team of workers always strives to maintain higher standards of cleanliness in the beach sand area, toilets and other amenities.
सफाई का इतना अच्छा बंदोबस्त मुझे आई डोंट नो हाउ दे आर मैनेजिंग, क्योंकि बीचेस हैं और फैसिलिटी जैसे बाथरूम वगैरह की फैसिलिटी कहीं कहीं है चेंजिंग रूम की, लेकिन क्लीननेस कहीं नहीं है.
While you bask in the sun, relaxing on the loungers under the bamboo thatch, children would be tempted to move to the fitness center and the play area. A leisurely stroll, gazing into the cool blue vastness of the Arabian Sea, with a gentle breeze blowing in the twilight hours. It's indeed a bliss in Shivrajpur. SICOM regularly undertakes I'm Saving My Beach campaign, involving volunteers from all walks of life, covering beach cleaning activities, awareness on beach ecosystems, biodiversity conservation, pollution and its ill effects, and sand dune restoration, etc. Dwarka, the birthplace of Lord Krishna, is blessed with high footfall throughout the year, and Shivrajpur, barely about 12 kilometers, would be an added attraction. The Beams Ancillary Services offers avenues for alternate livelihood of local Shivrajpur communities, and the increase in tourist footfall at the beach shall further boost the traditional culture and economy of the region. The Beams program is thus a profound commitment to the coastal environment and the people of Shivrajpur.
Whatever infrastructure we have created here, that is in coordination, or that is preserving, that is working in sync with the local system. Especially, we are not disturbing the ecosystem of this area.
As is said, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Indeed, the Shivrajpur model is a firm step in that direction and promises to be a benchmark for coastal ecotourism, replicating Beams program at beaches across the 7,500 kilometer vast coastline of India.